This red velvet cake is my go-to recipe. It makes my customers always come back for more. That's why I want to share it with you today. Just a simple ingredients. We'll be making use of flour, sugar. All the ingredients will be listed. Granite oil. We'll also be making use of melted butter and cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, red velvet color. This will save you a lot. If you don't have this, you can use your food color. Flavor, I'm using butterscotch flavor. Salt, buttermilk. I did this at home. Just your milk and your vinegar will give you buttermilk. And also we'll be making use of 2 fresh eggs. Also we'll be adding our white vinegar. So let's get right into the baking. We're going to sieve our ingredients. I always advise you sieve your flour before you use it to bake. It will avoid a whole lot of stories that touch. Alright, so to our dry ingredients, we'll be adding in our cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Also go in with our baking powder and our baking soda. I'll list out all the ingredients and the measurements in the description, so please check it out. Add in some salt to this and sieve everything together to avoid having any debris in our cake. So if this is your first time of coming across this channel, my name is Claire. We bake here, we cook all things event, catering and all. So please do well to subscribe to this channel to get updates and content whenever I post, and always don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all our new uploads. Alright, so we'll be going in with our eggs to a new bowl, which I'm going to mix thoroughly to combine. You don't need to overdo this, just combine it together, it's fine. Alright, we've already mixed our dry ingredients and set it aside. So to our wet ingredients, we'll be whisking our egg, then go in with half a cup of melted butter. You can use margarine, it's fine, and then half a cup of granite oil. Any cooking oil is also fine for this. Then mix everything together till it's thoroughly combined. Go in with your flavor. I used 1 tablespoon of my butterscotch flavor. Then you go in and add all your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. This part is very important. Alright, so just mix everything in gently, not over mixing. Just combine everything together, and before we proceed, we are going to add in our buttermilk. We'll be using a total of 1 cup, so we'll go in with the first half cup of buttermilk. This is just to aid our mixing process, and later on we are going to go in with our other half. So you see how good this red velvet food color powder is. It will save you a whole lot of add color. So we are going to go in with the remaining buttermilk, and then we'll add in our white vinegar at this point. Alright, so just go in with your white vinegar and mix everything to combine. Here our cake is almost ready. Just go in, mix everything thoroughly to combine. In my previous video for red velvet, I mentioned where you can add coffee to your red velvet cake. That will take your cake to a whole new level, but for this particular recipe we will not be adding coffee. So this is it. You can see how lush and beautiful our cake batter is. This is my fail proof red velvet cake, and it keeps my customers coming back for more every time. I have a client that whenever I make this red velvet for her, she always gives me the happy dance. All right, so this red velvet will melt in your mouth. It is so decadent and it is so easy to make, so you can incorporate it into your repertoire of recipes. I don't know if I call that right. All right, so it's a fail proof recipe. You can easily make this at home and enjoy with your family as well. So just heat your pan to remove all the air bubbles and bake in your oven until your cake comes out dry. I baked mine for a total of about 35 minutes, and voila, our cake is ready. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video so that more people can get to see it. And here our cakes are out of the oven, looking like they applied makeup on them. They are so clean and so beautiful. I didn't even use a parchment paper and it came out without any issues at all. Like, it came out so easily. So this recipe is fail proof. It's what has worked for me. This channel, I always show what I have tried, what I have used, and has worked for me. My customer requested for this particular red velvet to be added to her fruit cake for her marriage, and yeah, we deliver. All right, so look at how beautiful our cake is. So I'm just going to be cutting this for you to see what I am talking about. This cake tasted amazing. I bet you try this recipe and drop a comment for me. Okay, so I usually wrap mine in a cling film over time so that it will trap in the air, but this particular one I just had to show you this, so I kept it to cool down. And yeah, look at how beautiful our cake is, and it tasted amazing. Thank you for watching this video till this point. I really appreciate you. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.